Hi everyone, welcome to the Droigy channel. Today's video will explain Huawei phone freezes. We all use smartphones a lot, it builds a bridge between us and friends or social media. So if Huawei phone is freezing, part of your life will freeze. But don't worry, we know how to fix this problem. Try all the steps here in the order we present. The instructions here work for almost all series of Huawei phones including Mate series, Pura series, Pocket series, Ascend W series, Ascend Y series, Nova series, Ascend GX series, G series, T series, U series, Y series, Honor series, Enjoy series and so on. Are you wondering, why does Huawei screen freeze? What causes Huawei to freeze? The reasons for Huawei phone screen freezes are usually caused by problematic system or third-party applications. Bugs or compatibility issues in the phone system software may also cause Huawei freezes and restarts. In addition, excessive memory usage or excessive cache accumulation on the phone may also cause the screen to be unresponsive. If your phone falls or is hit by gravity, it may cause hardware problems such as the phone screen or motherboard, resulting in Huawei phone is freezing and lagging. Next, we will tell you 7 solutions on how to unfreeze Huawei phone. In general, the reasons why Huawei phone keeps freezing may be complicated. It is recommended that you try some simple software maintenance methods first. If the problem still cannot be solved, it is best to contact Huawei's after-sales service personnel for professional diagnosis and repair. Now please try the methods in the video one by one. If you have other questions, you can tell us in the comment area below the video, and we will reply to you within 24 hours. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to check the storage space. All smartphone storage space is like an empty bottle. When you fill it with water, the bottle will not be able to put anything in it. If your Huawei phone stores a lot of data, resulting in insufficient storage space, less than 10%, this may cause the Huawei phone screen to freeze or not work properly. At this time, you need to clean up the storage space. To clean up the storage space, open the phone settings, then scroll down to find and tap the storage option. A cleanup acceleration button will appear in the storage options interface, please click it. Finally, the system will check the storage space occupied by your applications. You can clean up the redundant storage space one by one or all of them according to your needs. Method 2 is to remove the battery. If your Huawei phone supports the removal of the battery, you can remove the battery. Wait for 30 seconds and then put the battery back into the phone to perform a power cycle unfreeze Huawei phone screen. After that, turn on the Huawei phone again and try to use the touch screen again. If your battery is not removable, you can also wait for the battery to run out of power, after which the Huawei phone will automatically shut down. After that, charge it for at least 30 minutes, and then try again to see if the Huawei phone touch screen works properly. Method 3 is to restart the Huawei phone. Restarting can eliminate software glitches. If your Huawei phone has the problem of Huawei phone frozen on startup due to software-related glitches, you only need to restart it to solve the problem and restore the Huawei phone screen to normal. Restarting can close all applications and clear certain caches to keep the Huawei device in the best operating condition. To restart the Huawei phone, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and a restart interface will appear. Click the restart icon on the shutdown screen, and your Huawei phone will start restarting. After waiting for the restart to complete, check again whether you have unfreeze a Huawei touchscreen phone. Method 4 is to force restart your Huawei phone. If the normal restart does not work and the fix Huawei randomly freezing problem still exists, you can also try a forced restart. Sometimes a forced restart can solve a problem that a normal restart cannot solve. Forced restart can also keep Huawei devices in the best condition. To force restart your Huawei phone, long press the combination key of the Huawei phone's forced restart, power button and volume down button. Long press the combination key for 10 seconds or more and wait for the Huawei phone screen to appear or vibrate. At this time, you can let go and your Huawei phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently for the restart to complete. After that, try to use the touch screen again to check if it works properly. Method 5 is to boot into safe mode. If you have recently updated or downloaded a third-party application and the Huawei phone screen freezing problem occurred after the update or installation, then the third-party application may be the culprit for the Huawei frozen screen. And check whether it is caused by a third-party application. Safe mode is a very good method. Safe mode will allow your device to boot up with only the minimum required to run. This means that third-party applications will not affect your phone in safe mode. Here are the steps to enter safe mode. First, make sure the Android phone is turned off and no USB is connected first. After that, long press the power button and the volume up button until the phone vibrates for 3 seconds. Then your Huawei phone will enter the interface with safe mode options. Select with the volume down button and confirm with the power button, after which your Huawei phone should restart to safe mode and the safe mode logo will appear on the screen. If the touch screen works normally in safe mode, it may be a problem with the application you downloaded. If the problem occurred after downloading an application, then you need to find and delete all problematic applications. To exit safe mode, just restart the phone. Method 6 is to restore the factory settings. If the Huawei phone is frozen and won't do anything in safe mode, then it can be said that it is not affected by third-party applications. The last method is to restore your Huawei device to factory settings. But restoring the factory settings will erase all data in the phone storage space, including contacts, messages, media files and applications stored in the phone memory. So, please back up your data before restoring the factory settings. Now follow the steps below to restore the Huawei phone to factory settings. Please make sure that the Huawei device is turned off and there is no USB connection first. After that, please press and hold the power button and the volume up button until the phone vibrates for 3 seconds. Then your Huawei phone will enter the recovery mode. In the Huawei recovery mode screen, please use the volume up and down buttons to select clear data and press the power button to confirm. Then select factory reset by using the volume up and down buttons and press the power button to confirm. After that, complete the corresponding steps according to the on-screen prompts, and finally the reset process will be triggered, which only takes 2 to 3 seconds to complete. After the factory reset is completed, click back to return to the recovery interface. Select and click restart here, and your Huawei phone will re-enter the device home interface. Finally, you can retransfer your backed up data to the Huawei phone. Method 7 is to go to the official after-sales center. If all the above methods cannot fix the problem of a frozen Huawei phone, then you need to think about whether the hardware on the Huawei phone is faulty or damaged, such as the touchscreen itself, the sensor, or some internal hardware. We recommend that you contact Huawei's after-sales service center as soon as possible. They will provide you with professional diagnosis and repair services. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Wish you good luck.